In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending or receiving. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, this works exactly the same whether you're on iPhone or Android, so just follow along. But let's say you're not able to send messages, you're trying to receive them, the same thing's happening. The very first thing I want you to do is swipe down on the top right. It's going to bring up your control panel, whether you're on iPhone or Android, and then just make sure you're not on airplane mode, because that could basically mean that you don't have any Wi-Fi or any mobile data. So make sure it's not on that. Make sure you're both connected to either Wi-Fi or you have signal for your mobile data. If you don't, then that's probably why you can't see anything. Now, another thing you can also do, let's say you have Wi-Fi and everything, but WhatsApp for some reason is bugged. Firstly, go to the App Store. On the top right, click the globe icon, scroll down and see if WhatsApp needs an update. I have WhatsApp Business that needs an update, but check if the actual WhatsApp application needs an update because it might just be a bug or you might be on a really outdated version. Now, the final thing you can do after that is go to your settings application, scroll all the way down to apps, search up WhatsApp. And you can do this on Android as well. Just go to your app section and find WhatsApp. And then all you got to do from here is go ahead and clear the cache. So you can do this from this place, or what you can do is go to general, go to iPhone storage, find WhatsApp over here. So I'm going to click on it and then press offload app on the iPhone, and on Android, press clear cache. And that's it. You'll be good to go.